In a quiet village where everyone knew everyone, lived a boy named Sammy, a kid full of energy but sometimes unaware of how his actions affected others. One morning, just for fun, Sammy picked up a pebble and tossed it toward the street, never thinking about where it might land. The stone didn't hit the man, but it scared him, and he dropped everything he was holding. In that moment, Sammy felt a sting of guilt he couldn't ignore. That night, Sammy couldn't sleep. He kept replaying the scene in his mind, realizing his small joke wasn't small for someone else. The next morning, he walked to the old man's house and apologized with all his heart. The old man smiled, because apologies, when sincere, heal more than wounds. And from that day, Sammy learned that even the tiniest actions can shape someone's day. Kindness costs nothing, but changes everything. Moral of the story: think before you act. A small action can create a big impact. Good or bad, choose kindness.